Good morning, students. Welcome to St. Mary's English High School. And today we are going to study English of Standard 7th from your English Balbharti textbook. So, students, let's start with the topic, that is lesson number 1.3 in times of silver rain. So, students, let us start and recite this beautiful poem. You will also remove your textbook and recite along with me. In time of silver rain, the earth puts forth new life again. Green grasses grow and flowers lift their heads, and over all the plain the wonder spreads of life, of life, of life. In time of silver rain, the butterflies lift silken wings to catch a rainbow cry, and trees put forth new leaves to sing in joy beneath the sky, as down the roadway passing boys and girls go singing too. In time of silver rain, when spring and life are new. This poetry is written by Langston Hughes. Now, student, who was Langston Hughes? Let us know something about him. Langston Hughes was an American writer and activist who won many awards and honors for his work. He started a new style of writing poetry in which rhythm and spontaneous expressions are important. In this poem, he describes how rain brings joys and life. Now, let us see the poem. The theme of the poem is the poet gave us the message that the rain brings beauty and happiness all around the world. So, students, let's read and enjoy this poem. In time of silver rain, the earth puts forth new life again. Green grasses grow and flowers lift their heads, and over all the plain the wonder spreads of life, of life, of life. Now, students, here the poet begins the poem with the title itself, that is, In Time of Silver Rains. He is describing silver rain as he sees the clouds are silver in color. The shadow of the cloud seems like silver in color. That's why he has given the title for the poem, that is, In Time of Silver Rain. The poet says that when it starts raining, the earth puts forth new life again. Green grasses grow. Students, as we all know, in India it rains after the harsh summer season. That is why the poet says that after the summer season, when the rain comes, the earth puts new life again. Means everywhere there is a green grasses growing. The earth is smiling in the form of green grass. Everywhere there is a new life in form of green grass. That's why the earth is smiling. And flowers lift their heads, and over all the plain the wonder spreads. Now here the poet has personified the flowers by saying that flowers lift their heads, and it is spraying, it is blooming all over the plains, the wonder spreads. Means everywhere we can see the flowers lifting their heads up. It means that new flowers blooms everywhere around us. Now he further states that it is very wonderful and beautiful sight wherever our eyes can see. So in the time of silver rain, he is saying that everywhere there is natural beauty all around, as if the rain has spread the magical rain of water all around over the earth. And hence the poet repeats the words of life, of life, of life, emphasizing that the earth is full of life. That is, everyone, everywhere, they are smiling and they are happy. Now, in the second stanza, in time of silver rain, the butterflies lift silken wings to catch a rainbow cry, and trees put forth new leaves to sing in joy beneath the sky, as down the roadway passing boys and girls go singing too. In time of silver rain, when spring and life are new. Now, again, in the second stanza, poet starts with the title of the poem, that is, In Time of Silver Rain, the butterflies lift silken wings. Now, here the poet is saying that after the rain, when the rain is there, Because of the rain, the butterflies lift their silken wings. Silken wings means what? They're beautiful and very shiny wings. Now, to catch a rainbow cry. Now, why the poet has described that butterflies to catch a rainbow cry. Here, why the poet is saying rainbow as a cry, rainbow as a crying, because rainbow symbolizes happiness. That is why the poet is saying that rainbow is sharing the tears of happiness all over the world, while the butterflies flutters all about. Now here the poet further states that trees have new leaves. Here again the poet has personified the leaves to be singing joyfully beneath the sky, means under the sky the leaves are singing very joyfully. Now further the poet wanted to say that there is not only the leaves, the trees, the birds, the earth, but there are also many boys and girls passing through or down the roadways and singing in joyfully and very happily. That is, nature and mankind both are living happily and they are enjoying their life. Now here the poet once again reminds that in times of silver rain, when spring has come, everything is new, including the life itself. We can also interpret that the spring will bring the new opportunities and with it a new life. So students, forget about your past and enjoy the rain today. I hope students you all have enjoyed this poem today. Now I hereby end my video. I will see you soon in the next lecture. Till then, thank you, take care, stay home and stay safe. Goodbye.